Good morning to all. I am Dr.B.Angelin, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss software engineering topic, Incremental Process Model. Incremental process model, in this model coming from software engineering. What is a software engineering? Software is a product. It divided into two types. One is a process and another one is a product. So now we are going to see incremental process. Incremental model is a process of software development where requirements divided into multiple stand-alone modules of the software development cycle. In this model, each module goes through the requirement, design, implementation and testing phase. In every software engineering, the requirement model and analyze the design and implementation and then testing phase. After that, the model is going to the conclusion for end result. Every subsequent release of the module adds functions to the previous release. The process continues until the complete system achieved. Incremental process. This is the structure of incremental model. First, the requirements. The requirements divided into n number of build. The build is here. The build is known as the module. The first module, the design development. After that development is completed, there is the testing concept will be occur. So here the testing is completed. Then it will go to the implementation. Then second module. The second module also the development, and the development is tested in that module. After that the system will be implemented. In this process repeated until n number of modules. Phases of incremental model. The requirement analysis and design and development. First of all, requirement analysis. In the first phase of the incremental model, the product analysis expertise identifies the requirements and the system functional requirements are understood by the requirement analysis team. It develops the software under the incremental model. This phase performs a crucial role. Second one is the design and development. In this phase, incremental model, the design of the system functionality and the development methods are finished with success. When software develops a new practically, the incremental model uses a stride and development phase. Phases of incremental model. The third one is testing. Testing. In the incremental model, the testing phase checks the performance of each existing function as well as additional functionality. In the testing phase, the various methods are used to test the behavior of each task. The last one is implementation. The implementation phase enables the coding phase of the development system. It involves the final coding that design in the designing and development phase and test the functionality in the testing phase. After completion of this phase, the number of the product working in enhanced and upgrade up to the final system product. When using the incremental model, when the requirements are superior, a project has a lengthy development schedule, when software teams are not very well skilled or trained, when the customer demands a quick release of the product and can develop the prioritized requirements first. First of all, the customer requirement or client requirements will be superior. And second one, the project has a lengthy development schedule. So every project need to scheduled. Then the software team are well trained. After that, the customer demands will be quickly processed. After that, the project will be started. Advantages of incremental model. The advantages are errors are easy to recognize and easier to test and debug, and it's a more flexible and simple to manage the risk because it handled during its iterations. The clients gets important functionality early. So errors are easy to recognize. After that debugging the coding, and it is a more flexible and it's simple manage and risk. The client gets important functionalities. Thank you.